Hi, this is John with WTI. And if you're looking for to lift, if you want being comfortable, you want that secure grip, these lifting straps from Harbinger are great. Something I love about this, well, first of all, they're matching my color. I was not searching for that. But something I love about this lifting straps and how comfortable they're on my wrist. Whenever I'm doing any pulling movements, or I'm doing a bench press, or I'm doing some taxing movements that could be hard on my hand or in my wrist, these ones they give you a lot of stability. And as this company Harbinger, they have a high quality. I like this a lot. So the way that this hooks around your wrist, it protects you from different movements. It gives you that feeling of being more secure. And even though you can even isolate your muscles better because you're not using the struggle with your forearms, and it goes directly to the muscle that you're working with. So these are the things that I have liked a lot about this lifting straps. So this was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.